Hey everybody, PE School here. So this week we are celebrating the upcoming Super Bowl between the Cincinnati Bengals and the LA Rams by doing some Super Bowl stations. So this station is called Down, Set, Hike. So students are going to be working on their snapping and hiking skills. So I have 4 stations set up, or 4 games set up, and each student will have their football, and what they're going to do is they're going to practice doing a shotgun hike. So they will get in the offensive line position, and then they will try to snap the ball backwards behind their legs, trying to knock over the bowling pin. So depending on the grade level, you can scoot the footballs back, or you can scoot them closer to the pins, depending on grade level. Or another option, you can do the foaling, which is football bowling. So instead of doing the snapping or the hiking, students can simply roll the football to try and knock over their pins. If a student is successful, I have the poppets that they can keep score with. So each time they knock down the bowling pin, they set it back up, they give themselves a point, and then they attempt the activity again. So down, set, hike, pretty fun activity. I'm anxious to see how the students do. And if you enjoyed this station, be sure to be on the lookout for other Super Bowl stations. I'll hopefully post some more here soon. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next video.